Welcome, dear friends, to our channel. Have you ever been told that one simple glass could change everything? Your blood sugar, your belly fat, even your heart health. I know it might sound too good to be true, but sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest actions. And today I want to show you something that could truly shift your health naturally and gently, without pills, without prescriptions, and without guesswork. If you're over 60, you've probably heard 1,000 different tips. But this one is different. We're talking about a natural drink, something you can make at home that supports your blood sugar, helps trim stubborn abdominal fat, and protects your heart, all in one. It's not a miracle. It's nature, when used the right way. And the best part, you're not alone in this. Here on, we're building a space where mature adults can learn, grow, and take control of their health, one habit at a time. So before we go any further, let me ask you, have you ever tried any natural drink for your blood sugar or heart health? Let me know in the comments. Your story could help someone else. And if you find this kind of information valuable, don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss a tip that could support your well-being. Now, in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 15 simple yet powerful natural drinks. And the very last one, number 1, may just become your favorite daily habit. Let's begin. Rosemary tea. A simple cup with powerful benefits. For those of us over 60, poor circulation, inflammation, or blood sugar swings can quietly chip away at our energy and well-being. But rosemary tea may help. Just 1 cup a day can gently improve blood flow, support your heart, reduce inflammation, and even assist in managing blood sugar levels. It also supports your liver, helping your body detox more efficiently, which is especially helpful if you often feel sluggish after meals. And because it's rich in antioxidants, it can give your immune system a quiet lift too. If you've ever tried rosemary tea before, how did it make you feel? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else. Up next, we'll look at a tea that combines 2 kitchen staples, and together they create a powerful blend for digestion and blood sugar control. Let's take a look. Bay leaf and clove tea. Something simple but surprisingly powerful. You might already have both of these in your kitchen, but when brewed together, they become a natural remedy that supports blood sugar balance, soothes digestion, and even calms the nervous system. Bay leaf contains compounds that may help reduce insulin resistance, making it easier for your body to handle blood sugar after meals. Clove, on the other hand, has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they not only support your metabolism, but also help reduce bloating, gas, and that heavy, sluggish feeling we sometimes get after eating. Another hidden bonus. This tea may help ease tension and anxiety, both of which can quietly impact blood pressure and heart health. If you've ever sipped this tea or used bay leaves or cloves in a home remedy, I'd love to hear your experience. Drop it in the comments below. You never know who your story might help. Now, if you're open to trying something a little more bitter but with big benefits for your liver and belly fat, the next tea might be just what you need. Carcassia tea. A lesser-known herbal remedy with a long tradition of helping people feel lighter, clearer, and more balanced from the inside out. It may not be the most familiar name, and yes, the taste is a little bitter, but sometimes those are the herbs that do the most good. Carcassia is known for its strong effects on blood sugar. It helps support insulin production and sensitivity, making it a great option for those managing type 2 diabetes or trying to prevent it altogether. It also helps reduce sugar spikes after meals, something many of us struggle with as we get older. But there's more. This tea supports your liver, one of the most important organs for blood sugar control and fat metabolism. A healthier liver means your body can process fats and sugars more efficiently, which may help reduce abdominal fat and inflammation. Many people drink it after heavy meals, especially in the evening, to help ease digestion and reduce bloating. Next, we'll look at a golden flower that gently supports your kidneys, reduces swelling, and may even help with weight control. Let's explore dandelion tea. Dandelion tea. Now let's turn to a humble flower that might be growing right in your yard. Dandelion. Don't let its simple look fool you. When brewed into tea, dandelion becomes a powerful detoxifier that supports your liver, kidneys, digestion, and even blood sugar. As we get older, our body's ability to flush out toxins slows down. That's where dandelion tea comes in. It gently stimulates the liver and kidneys, helping your body clear out waste more efficiently. And when your liver is working well, Everything else, including blood sugar, fat metabolism, and energy levels, tends to follow. This tea also has a natural diuretic effect, which helps reduce swelling and water retention, especially in the legs and belly. If you've ever woken up feeling puffy or stiff, you might find relief in a warm cup of dandelion tea. Another bonus, it supports healthy digestion and can ease that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals, while also helping reduce visceral fat, the kind that wraps around your organs and raises your risk of heart disease. Next, we'll explore a gentle flower that helps with stress, sleep, and blood sugar, and you've probably sipped it before. Chamomile. Chamomile, a flower that many of you might already be familiar with. Chamomile. You've probably enjoyed it before bedtime to relax, but its benefits go far beyond just helping you sleep. Chamomile tea is a gentle yet powerful ally for those of us over 60. It helps reduce internal inflammation, which plays a hidden role in many chronic conditions, from high blood pressure to type 2 diabetes. By calming inflammation, chamomile supports a healthier heart and more stable blood sugar. One of chamomile's greatest gifts is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Why does that matter? Because when we're under stress, our body releases more cortisol, a hormone that can raise blood sugar and wear down the immune system over time. A warm cup of chamomile helps bring those levels down and supports emotional balance. Better sleep is another big win. Drinking chamomile before bed can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And a well-rested body manages blood sugar, appetite, and immune function much more effectively. Next, we'll look at a unique plant that helps flush out excess fluids, eases swelling, and supports both your heart and your metabolism. Horsetail tea. A lesser-known herb, but one that offers big benefits, especially as we age. If you've ever struggled with fluid retention, swelling in the legs, or that heavy bloated feeling in your belly, this tea might be just what your body needs. Horsetail is well known for its strong diuretic effect. It helps your body release excess fluids naturally, which can reduce pressure on your heart and lower your blood pressure over time. It also supports healthy kidney function, helping you eliminate toxins more efficiently. A key part of keeping your metabolism running smoothly. But horsetail doesn't stop there. It can help with weight management, especially when water retention makes you feel heavier than you really are. And for those looking for a little extra support in the beauty department, horsetail is naturally rich in silica, a mineral that strengthens hair, skin, and nails. Next, let's explore a calming, cleansing herb that helps fight inflammation, support digestion, and bring your blood sugar into better balance. We're talking about sage tea. Sage tea, a warm, earthy herbal drink with a long history of healing. It's not just for seasoning your turkey. Sage has been used for generations to support both the body and the mind. And for those of us over 60, it can offer real help in some important areas. First, sage tea can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps your body use blood sugar more effectively. That's especially useful if you're managing type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, or simply trying to keep blood sugar stable throughout the day. It also has a calming effect on the nervous system. If you've noticed that stress or anxiety causes your blood sugar to spike or your energy to crash, a cup of sage tea might help smooth those ups and downs. Emotional balance is often overlooked in blood sugar management, but it matters a lot. Sage is also gentle on the digestive system, helping reduce gas, bloating, and discomfort after meals. And because it's packed with antioxidants, it helps calm internal inflammation that contributes to aging, weight gain, and heart issues. Next up is one of the most talked about anti-inflammatory combos out there: turmeric and black pepper tea. And yes, there's a reason everyone's buzzing about it. Let's take a closer look. Turmeric and black pepper tea. Let's dive into one of the most powerful pairs in the world of natural healing: turmeric and black pepper tea. You've probably heard of turmeric before, but when combined with black pepper, its benefits go to a whole new level, especially for those of us managing inflammation, belly fat, or blood sugar issues. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But here's the trick. On its own, curcumin is hard for the body to absorb. That's where black pepper comes in. It contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 20 times. Just a pinch can make a huge difference. This tea can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is one of the root causes of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even joint pain. It also supports liver detoxification, helping your body clear out toxins that can slow down your metabolism and spike blood sugar levels. Many people also find that turmeric and black pepper tea helps reduce belly fat, thanks to its thermogenic effect. It gently raises your body temperature and encourages fat burning. It may not taste like your average herbal tea, but a few drops of lemon or fresh mint can make it more enjoyable. Next, we'll explore a tea made from two kitchen staples, garlic and lemon. And the results might just surprise you. Garlic and lemon tea. A tea that might sound unusual but is surprisingly powerful. You might use these ingredients in cooking all the time, but when combined into a warm drink, they can offer deep support for your heart blood sugar and circulation. Garlic is known as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing high blood pressure. It also contains allicin, a compound that supports blood sugar balance and helps protect the heart. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, boosts this effect by helping cleanse the blood vessels and reduce oxidative stress. Together, garlic and lemon work to lower bad cholesterol LDL, raise good cholesterol HDL, and support your immune system. And if you deal with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, this tea can support more stable blood sugar levels, especially when consumed regularly before meals. Yes, the flavor is strong, but you can soften it with a little warm honey if needed, as long as it fits your health plan. And the benefits can be worth it. Lighter legs, steadier blood sugar, and a stronger heart. Now, if you're looking for a more familiar leafy remedy that targets both blood sugar and belly fat, our next tea made from mulberry leaves might surprise you even more. Mulberry leaf tea. Let's turn our attention to a hidden gem, mulberry leaf tea. It may not get as much attention as green or chamomile tea, but its benefits, especially for folks over 60, are truly impressive. Mulberry leaves are rich in flavonoids and compounds that help reduce insulin resistance, making it easier for you to handle blood sugar after meals. That's a big deal if you're managing type 2 diabetes or looking to avoid it. Regularly drinking this tea can help smooth out those dangerous glucose spikes that often happen after eating. But there's more. Mulberry leaf tea supports healthy blood vessels, helping prevent stiffness and improving circulation. That means better oxygen flow, better energy, and a lower risk of heart issues. It also has a mild diuretic effect, which can help reduce bloating and fluid retention, something many of us deal with as we age. Plus, it even supports metabolism and weight control, particularly by helping the body burn fat more efficiently, especially around the belly. Next, let's look at a bold red tea that's famous for its heart health benefits. Hibiscus tea. A tea that's as beautiful as it is beneficial. With its deep red color and slightly tart taste, this tea is more than just refreshing. It's a powerful ally for your heart, blood pressure, and waistline. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins and antioxidants, which help protect your blood vessels from damage and reduce inflammation, a key factor in both diabetes and heart disease. If you've been told your blood pressure is creeping up, drinking hibiscus tea regularly may help bring it down gently and naturally. It also works to lower bad cholesterol LDL and supports better fat metabolism. Many people notice less bloating and even a reduction in belly fat over time. That's because hibiscus acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body release excess fluids while supporting healthy circulation. If you're watching your blood sugar, hibiscus tea may help there too, by improving insulin sensitivity and supporting more stable levels throughout the day. Next, let's revisit a tea you've probably heard a lot about, green tea, and why it remains one of the best choices for metabolism and long-term heart health. Green tea, a classic. You've likely heard it praised for years, and for good reason. This isn't just a trendy health drink. Green tea has been studied extensively and continues to show real benefits, especially for those of us over 60 who want to protect the heart metabolism and blood sugar. Green tea is rich in catechins, especially EGCG, which help burn fat, particularly around the belly. It gently boosts your metabolism, helping the body convert stored fat into energy more efficiently, which can support healthy weight loss without extreme effort. It's also incredibly heart-friendly. Green tea helps reduce LDL cholesterol, prevent plaque buildup in arteries, and improve circulation, lowering your risk of heart attack or stroke. Plus, the antioxidants in green tea help fight inflammation and protect blood vessels from damage over time. And yes, it even helps regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing sugar absorption in the gut. That means fewer blood sugar spikes after meals and better overall balance. Next, we'll look at a refreshing, zesty blend that fights inflammation and boosts digestion, the wonderful duo of lemon and ginger tea. Lemon and ginger tea, a bright, warming duo. This refreshing blend does more than just wake up your taste buds. It's one of the best natural remedies for inflammation, digestion, and blood sugar control, especially for those of us navigating the health shifts that come with age. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and thermogenic, meaning it gently boosts metabolism and helps the body burn more calories. It also supports digestion, reduces gas and bloating, and soothes the stomach after heavy meals. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, adds extra cleansing power. It helps alkalize the body and supports liver function, both key for maintaining healthy blood sugar and weight. Together, lemon and ginger work to fight chronic inflammation, a root cause of many conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. They also help with circulation and may reduce belly fat when paired with a balanced diet. Next, we'll look at a plant known as the insulin leaf and why it's earning a powerful reputation in natural diabetes support. Insulin leaf tea, something truly special. This plant isn't just a nickname. It's actually called the insulin plant because of its powerful effect on blood sugar regulation. And for anyone managing type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, it might be one of nature's most helpful allies. What makes insulin leaf tea so unique is that it contains compounds that mimic the action of insulin, helping your body use glucose more efficiently. Over time, regular use may even support the regeneration of pancreatic beta cells, the very cells responsible for producing insulin. That's not just symptom relief. That's real support for the root of the issue. It also helps reduce glucose absorption after meals, meaning fewer spikes and crashes in blood sugar. And because it supports fat metabolism, it may assist with weight loss, especially around the belly, an area closely linked to insulin resistance and heart disease. Now we've arrived at the final and possibly most powerful tea on the list. It's warm, comforting, and incredibly effective for blood sugar, belly fat, and heart health. Cinnamon tea. Let's wrap it all up with this champion herb, a true powerhouse. Among all the natural remedies we've explored, this one stands out as the most complete and effective for managing blood sugar, reducing belly fat, and protecting your heart. Cinnamon is packed with polyphenols and bioactive compounds that help your cells use glucose more efficiently, almost like a natural form of insulin. That's why so many people notice more stable blood sugar levels when they include cinnamon in their routine. And it doesn't stop there. Cinnamon also improves insulin sensitivity, which is key in managing and even preventing type 2 diabetes. But perhaps most impressive is cinnamon's role in reducing visceral fat, the kind of deep belly fat that surrounds your organs and increases the risk of heart disease. It helps rev up your metabolism, supports fat burning, and reduces inflammation, all while delivering a warm, comforting flavor. On the heart health side, cinnamon helps lower bad cholesterol LDL, raise good cholesterol HDL, and improve circulation. That's a triple win for your arteries, your blood pressure, and your overall vitality. If you've made it this far, thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you found at least one tea that speaks to your needs, whether it's for balancing blood sugar, easing inflammation, or simply feeling lighter and more energized each day. The truth is, small natural habits like these really can make a difference. A warm cup of rosemary, cinnamon, or mulberry tea may not seem like much, but over time, these gentle choices can help your body heal, your heart stay strong, and your energy return. Which of these teas have you already tried? Or is there one you're curious to start with? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments. Your story might help someone else take their first step. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to tap like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Health 365. We're here to walk this journey with you, sharing simple tools that support your health and help you feel your best, one small step at a time.